Okay, first of all, and don't forget to take out your spark plug. Things running a little too rich when it was running. As you can see, it's a little burnt, a lot of carbon buildup. Now you can fully rotate the engine. Well, this feels really light, but okay. I think it's like this, position it like that, and then flip out. You're gonna have to take something and hammer this thing out. Yeah, there you go. Position like this. I just got stuck on that edge over there, but you hammer it out. That's the only way to take it out. Don't worry, if you have a position like this,